In this video, we will explore the basics of saving and discover how we can effectively save money to achieve our financial goals. Saving is a crucial skill that allows us to be financially secure and free to deal with unforeseen events. 1. Set clear goals. The first step to saving money effectively is to have clear goals. Ask yourself, why do I want to save? What do I want to achieve? These can be short-term goals, such as a vacation, or long-term goals, such as buying a home. Setting specific, realistic goals will give you clear motivation and help you stay focused on your savings goal. 2. Make a budget. Budgeting is a vital tool for saving money. Analyze your monthly income and expenses, and allocate specific amounts to each category. Use expense tracking apps or tools to have a clear record of your income and expenses, and be sure to keep your budget up to date. 3. Automate your savings. An effective way to save money is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer each month from your checking account to a savings account. By doing so, you ensure that a portion of your income goes into savings before you are tempted to spend it. 4. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly expenses and find areas where you can reduce unnecessary spending. For example, cancel subscriptions you don't use, buy generic products instead of expensive brands, or look for deals and discounts before making purchases. Small changes in your spending habits can make a big difference in your ability to save money. 5. Save on big purchases. Before making a major purchase, take the time to research and compare prices. Look for the best deals and consider waiting for special promotions or sale periods. Also, avoid impulse purchases and reflect if you really need the item or if it is just a momentary whim. 6. Look for additional income alternatives. Explore ways to generate additional income. You may consider working part-time, starting a side business, or leveraging your skills to do freelance work. Additional income can accelerate your ability to save and help you reach your financial goals more quickly. Saving is critical to our financial stability and achieving our goals. Remember to set clear goals, budget, automate your savings and reduce unnecessary expenses. Look for alternative sources of additional income and maintain a disciplined mindset in your savings journey. Don't underestimate the power of saving. With perseverance and determination, you will be one step closer to reaching financial freedom and achieving your dreams. Best of luck on your path to a solid financial future. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and helpful tools.